So we have a multiple misalignments. Okay? Taas itong vertebrae muna ito. Mababa ito. At least. Mostly sa left. Papunta. Twisting and subluxation. Upper. At ito, umaangat yung ating vertebrae sa left. Kaya nagkakaroon ng mas imbalance na.
Kaya pala.
Hello, Rock Nation! I am Master, your PT on the go, and I am a chiropractic specialist. Kasama natin ngayon sa clinic si
Nemo.
Nemo. Okay, si Sir Nemo ay taga saan?
Taga UK po.
Yan, galing pa ng UK all the way from London, ano? At least, thank you for coming and trusting. Saan mo nakita yung ano natin? Page?
Sa TikTok.
Sa
Kakanood
TikTok.
ng madaling araw.
Yeah. Ayun ka, pampatulog mo na rin to.
Ay, ganun.
Ayan, at least siya na ang makaka-experience ng ginagawa nating conditioning ng katawan. And if you have deformations, misalignments, pag meron tayong detect, at least yun yung pinaka-focus on natin to correct itself. Okay? Para mag-improve na ito at mas maging maganda yung movements mo. Okay? So, magkakaroon din tayo ng assignment with you para ma-maintain mo yung mga ganong pakiramdam ng katawan. Okay?
Okay.
Ayan. So, physical examination tayo. Ready ka na? Alright. Posture up like this. Yan. Oh. Tignan ko ha. This is very well. Okay. Your shoulders is this one. Yan. Your chin is going to the back. Sige pa. Yan. Sige. This one. Here. Yun. This one. O, kamusta yan? Pag nakaganyan. Comfortable? Hindi.
Hindi.
Okay?
Nakakapagod siya actually pag i-maintain siyang ganito.
Pag may maintain na ganito. More on here, sa gitna, or sa lower?
Nasa taas.
Nasa taas. Okay. So, tignan natin. Turn to your right. Lingon. Sige daw. Sagad, sagad, sagad. Ang normal is more about, check natin. Your chin is more about this one dapat. Sige, go. Pag sinasagad, kamusta? Ano nangyayari?
Ito, medyo tight
Okay.
yung...
Tight. Sige, kabila. Go. Yan, tignan natin. This one. Sige pa.
Para ginaabot.
Same day. Tingnan natin pag tumingala. Sige, go. Ayan. Sige pa. Ayan. 45 degrees extension. Let's see kung aabot. Ay, matigas na. Sige. Yeah. Grabing pagyuko mo siguro. I don't know kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa
Computer.
working mo. Computer?
Computer at the same time. Tapos magpaano ka pasyente. Mababa kasi usually ang mga upuan
Desk. Okay. Kaya,
Ayan,
tignan natin. Pag yumuko. Go, yuko. I'll push you down. Tignan natin ito. This one. Here. How's this? Normal stretch? Nice lang. Okay. Sige, tignan natin ito. Kapag taas ang kamay. Yan, dikit sa tenga. Let's see. Yan, right there. O, kamusta yung shoulders?
Stiff.
Stiff. Okay. Okay. Tignan natin. Lagpas. Overstretch. Go, extension. Yan. Okay. Matigas talaga.
Di ba? Sabi sa'yo, stiff na stiff.
So, ang pinaka nangyayaring development, hindi naman ito yung sobrang lala. Nagkakaroon lang siya ng stiffness and tightness. Ang pinakatawag natin dito is more about yung thoracic outlet syndrome. Ayan. So, kapag nagkakaroon na ng compression ng ating spine or upper thoracic and lower cervical spine, yung CT junction, yung axis natin sa ating cervical to thoracic spine, very compressed. And then forwarding, nagkakaroon na ng misalignment. So, ang pinaka-thoracic outlet syndrome is more about yung nalilimitahan na yung mismong range of motion niya. Ayan. So, nagkakaroon ng pagkapigil dahil rounded na ito. It takes time to get here, but it takes time to get back. Okay? At least, mas matutulungan natin ng mas mabilis para ma-shorten yung time at maging improve na ito. Okay? Yan. Sige. Let's see this one. Almost. Let's see here. Yan. Oh, this is the normal one. Kamusta?
Sakit dito sa likod. Super stiff
Try
talaga.
natin sa kabila. Go. Oh, ito. Mas okay ito. Mas
Side.
loose ito. Okay? Stand up. Tignan natin. Let's see. Ready?
Saan ba?
Yan. Okay lang yan. Oh, try mag-backbend, ano? Kung ano yung kaya. Sige, go. Yan. Kamusta yan?
Dito. Sa atin.
Okay. Masakit. 1 to 10. 10 yung pain. Highest.
Mga 4.
4 lang. Okay. Harap sa akin. Try to reach your toes. Go. Sabot pa?
Hindi.
Hindi na. Okay. Masakit at yung tight yung hamstrings. Okay. Try natin. Dito lang. Kahit hindi naabutin. Okay na yan. I-check ko yung spine mo daw. Up ng konti. Yup. Oh. So, we have a multiple misalignments. Okay? Taas itong vertebrae mo na ito. Mababa ito. Okay? So from left curve sa ating level scoliosis development, okay, mild scoliosis from your lumbar up until here. Oh, ito yan, oh, buo sa lumbar. Sige, up ka ng konti. Yun. So, misalignments din here. Oh, kapag ka-prenas ko ito, how's this?
Okay lang. Pero
Okay lang.
sometimes kasi dyan na part, yan yung masakit minsan.
Pagka heavy yung yung trabaho.
Mm.
This one.
Okay lang.
Ayos lang. Okay, very good at least. Oh, ito. This one.
Okay lang din.
Ayos lang. Good. Up ng konti. Yun. See? Very well ito. Medyo may konti lang. Pero hindi sobrang nakakabahala. At least. Mostly sa left. Papunta. Twisting and subluxation. Upper. Umaangat yung ating vertebrae sa left. Kaya nagkakaroon ng mas imbalance na.
Kaya pala.
Okay? Yeah. Mostly, pagka ganito, ang pinaka nangyayari sa ating muscles is napupul niya. From the kabila, napupul niya ito.
Kaya usually ito parang nangangalay na side.
Sa left side. Ayun. So, yun na yung pinaka nangyayari.
Kapag, nangyayari yan kapag dire-diretso yung work, like 3 days na sunod-sunod.
Walang off.
Oo, pag walang off.
Grabe.
Hindi, pero usually kasi 3 days na 12 hours, then dire-diretso naman ang off. Parang 4 days
after
naman
nun,
din. Oo.
may off naman na dire-diretso.
Pero pag usually, pag ganyan,
Pag sunod-sunod.
sakit.
Okay, so at least ito ay ipepreventa natin yung mga pwedeng malalang kondisyon na pwedeng mangyari. Kasi as age natin ngayon, okay pa yung disc natin. Nakakapag-penetrate pa tayo ng pinaka-range of motion when twisting, ano?
Twisting.
Pero ang pinaka nangyayari, kapag pumunta na tayo sa kanan, napupull naman na yung mga muscles, okay? So, we have to push everything sa left, papunta ng right, para maging balance na yung
Maging
muscles.
center na.
Okay? Yan. Sa tuhod, kamusta?
Okay naman, wala akong problema.
Very good. Doon lang talaga. At
Dito
lalo
lang
na.
talaga. Dito.
Sige. Tayo ay dadapa na. Ready ka na?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sige. Dadapa. This one. Go. Hinga. Exhale. Yeah. Loosen up. That's it. This is the proper movement and maximum range of motion like this. Okay? Masakit ba? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Ayos. Good. Loosen up, no? Hinga. And going down. So you have to push this. Good. This is tight. Kabila. Let's see what one. Nice one. Pushing here. Nice.
Meron.
You. Kamusta? Ayos lang?
Okay lang.
Good. Next, sa iyong ribs na. Mostly, ito tayo sa left para mas na-penetrate natin yung pagbaba ng iyong vertebrae here. Ready? Hinga. Going down. This is tight. Hinga. Exhale. That's good. Hinga again. Down. Nice. Last one. Going down. That's good. Mostly from here, vertebrae, lower axis. Yan. I'll hold and twist your head like this. Loosen up your shoulders. Yeah. That's really good. From here to there. That's good. Nice. Good. Loosen up. Right down there. Oh yeah. That's good. Kamusta?
Lakas din. Sabi yung kinid talaga na stretch yan.
Good. Okay. Ngayon, let's see, no? Check natin kung mas tumaas na yung iyong leg. Okay? Ready? Up again. That's good. Okay. Mas lighter ba ng konti?
Mas lighter siya.
Good. Kabila. That's nice. That's the right motions. Okay? Kamusta yun? Mas lighter din.
Mas lighter din.
Good. Yeah, I'll hold your buttock. Yan. Yeah. Hold it. Hawak sa kamay ko. Yan. Ibaba ang siko. Squeeze it. Yup. That's good. Oh, yeah. Ooh. That's good. Here. This one. Hold it. Yeah. Twisting. Inside. Yan. Hinga. Exhale. Once na ito'y tight, magkakaroon tayo ng ibang technique from here. Para at least mas may release natin siya ng tama. Loosen up again. Hinga. That's really good. Nice. One. Diretso ang higa. Okay, go.
Ayan ba?
Yan. Okay. A bit. Medyo short lang ito ng konti. Dahil ito saan? Di ba sabi ko sa left ang pinaka nagiging
Hmm.
curve?
Mas
Okay?
dami.
Mostly your lateral muscles lower. Sa ating right vertebrae, ay medyo nakahatak niya from the upper to the lower extremities. Medyo ay maiksiin ng konti ito. Okay? So we have to release your muscles sa lower at saka sa ating glutes and piriformis muscle. Let's see. That's good. Okay, clear. Uy, nice. Okay? First, metatarsals again. Here. You know. That's good. Okay, very loose. Lower. This is good. Middle side. Nice. Navicular bone. This is good. Next. Talus. Sa talus tayo. You know. That's it. Nice one. Hold. Yeah. Loosen up your leg. Pulling and pushing. That's good. This is very loose. Okay? At least. Dito tayo sa heel or calcaneus bone. Loosen up and twisting inside. That's good. This is very well. Natapilo ka na dati, hindi pa.
Siguro dati.
Aha.
Hindi ko matanda.
Very firm naman. Yung mga kapit at saka spacing, positioning ng ating ligament support. Okay. That's good. Nice one. This is clear. Lower. Nice. Okay. Up. Yeah. This is tight. Kabila. Okay. Cuboid again. Yep, right there. That's nice. See? Tight yung talus, kaya need to release upward. This one. Calcaneus or your heel. Loosen up again. Twisting inside. Nice one.
Meron din.
See? Yeah. Loosen up. Yan. Kamay. Open ng konti. From your knees. Most of your ligament support. At dito. At saka doon sa ating L5 and S1. Yeah. That's good. Very firm.
Okay siya.
Kabila. Yeah, loosen up. Yoda, lupay-pay up. Clear. Next. Sa ating sacroiliac joint. Nice one. Nice one. That's good. Hinga again. Exhale. That's nice. One. See? Kaya? Here, bigyan natin. Hinga. Going down. This is clear. Oh,
Yan.
happen.
Tumutunog yun.
Tunog. You have a misalignment from your carpal bone. Listen up. Uy. This is clear. Metacarpal. That's good. That's good. Okay. Pulling.
Tumunog na agad.
See? Again. Pulling again. Lower. Push. That's good. Kaya?
Good.
Pulling again from here. That's good. Pushing. This is better. That's good. Pulling. Nice. Again. Loosen up. Twist, turning inside. This is clear. Twist, turning out. That's good. Okay? Let's see again. Loosen up. Kamusta?
Wala na.
Mas loose na siya ngayon. Elbow tayo. Lower tendon. This is good. Okay? Carpal bones ay it can lead sa pagkaipit ng pulley ligaments to the point na magiging trigger finger. Okay? Or magiging carpal tunnel syndrome pag mas lumala. Pero since syempre bata pa tayo, you have to lubricate it. and stretch it. Kaya kapag ka laging nangangalay or makikita mo yan kapag ka gusto mong i-grip at hindi mo ma-grip. Okay? You have to do this. Wide open. Yan. Lakas. Yan. After this, 30 times, 3 sets. 90. After that, ito, duck. Yan. Okay? 3 sets again. 30. To improve your carpal bones. Okay? At hindi lagi naiipit yung median nerve, radial nerve, and yung most of your pulley ligaments. Okay? Yeah. Dito na tayo. Nice. This is good. Nice one. Nice one. Nice. Loosen up. That's good. Here. May konti lang. Yan o. Pulling. Clear. Nice one. Pulling again. Push. Good. Isa pa. That's good. Up. Loosen up. Then twist it outside. Inside. This is good. Step band.
Okay lang.
Elbow. This is clear. Upper tendon. Lower. See? Mas connected siya dun sa ulna. Pupunta doon. See? Mas nag-push yung nandun sa baba. Greater muscle. Okay. So let's see. Proper movement of your muscle. Ganito. From there, taas ang kamay. Yan. From doon hanggang dito. Okay? Tapos ibababa mo lang ito. Down the palad, and then all the way down again. Okay? Ready? Going up. Yan. Sige. Yap. Ikot. Pababa. Yan. That's good. That's the proper movement of your traps. Going up again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Down. Stretch. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. 2, and 1. Here. Ready. Wing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Kaya. Okay, last one. Going again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's see, when I press your cervical 1, trigger point, how's this one? Any pain?
Wala.
Number 2?
Wala din.
Number 3?
Wala din.
Number 4?
Wala.
Number 5?
Medyo. Light lang.
Medyo light lang. Okay, so andun mismo yung tension. Loosen up. Mas lower tayo. Cervical 3, 4. Positioning like that. Good. This is very good. Okay? 4 and 5. Mas ipupush ko papunta doon. Yun, a little. Okay? Okay. Traction tayo. Para at least, ma-release natin yung tension in between your 5, 6, and 7 cervical. Yun na. Bite your teeth. Yung natural. Okay? Natural bite it. Hinga sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. So what we're going to do is pulling first to check. Okay? And bouncing for preparation ng spine. Okay? Hinga sa ilong again. Exhale, pulling. Checking muna tayo. Loosen up. Bouncing. Yan. So medyo tight yung left ng konti. So we have to like this. Yan. Pwesto. Hinga. Exhale. Loosen up. Pulling. Exhale. That's good. Bouncing. Yan. Nice one. See? So mo siya naramdaman.
Dito. Pati spine. Ay, sa baba.
Yeah.
Lumbar.
Lumbar. Okay? So, if yung mga column, specific spine, ay nagkakaroon ng compression after the traction, yun talaga yung mismong maire-release natin. Yan. Pagka, like this. Yan. Chin. See? This is very well. Yan. Hindi na laging naka-forward yung this one. Tignan mo ito. Anong nararamdaman mo so far? Straight na siya. See? At least, mas mabilis nating matutulungan if your fluids, lipids of your muscles and ligaments ay mas okay pa. Mas mabilis natin siya i-release. Ngayon, I'll push forward. Sige, hawak lang. I'll push forward. Uy, parang meron na ata agad. Okay, I'll push forward and pigilan mo ako. Ready? Kontrahin. Sige, go. Try. Lakas. Lakas pa. Sige pa. This is, uy, yun na. Okay, kabila. Yeah, go, same. That's good. Sige pa. That's good. Okay. Next, dito tayo. Hold it. Loosen up. Ayan, lupay-pay. Turning inside. Yuko. Nice one. Again, kabila. Loosen up. Turning inside. Nice one. Okay? Nabibingi ka na ba lately? Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Good. And once may release natin yan, hearing senses is very well na. Tapos, recovery of yung temple muscles to prevent naman migraines and headaches. Like this. Even sinusitis nakakonekta dito. Listen up. Nice. At least. Konting-konti.
Parang napunit.
This one here. Yep. This one. Oh. Stiff. Ah, very good yan. Wala. Okay. Sensitive part of your ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hinga. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's good. So, hello again, Rock Nation, and we're done with
Nemo.
Nemo. How's the experience of our therapy?
Maganda po. Kasi sobrang nas naglighten yung feeling sa leeg. Tapos yung
Sa lower.
ang lower back.
Yun. At least, mas natulungan natin siya to recondition yung katawan at mas makapagpahinga ka ng maayos. Lalo na, meron kang itinerary sa Pilipinas na medyo magagala. O, kailangan din ng mas maayos na movement at katawan. Let's see. Posture up. Yan. O, kanina, pinaganito kita. Like this. Yan. Comfortable? Hindi.
Comfortable siya ngayon.
See? Kanina medyo...
Mas stiff yun, saka
Yan. Oh,
hindi pantay.
di pantay. Tingin natin sa kaliwa. Sa kanan. Sige, go. Yan. O, tiga mo ito. This one. Try. Pilitin. Go. Kamusta ngayon?
Hindi na siya walang tension doon sa gilid.
Kabila. Let's see. Go. Yan. Oh, see? This is your chin. Kamusta?
Okay din siya. Wala din dito. Natanggal na din.
Oh, kanina, hindi ka makatingala ng maayos. Sige, go. Look up. Let's see. I'll check. 45 degrees. Yan. That's it. Medyo matigas pa itong upper. Pero at least, nakaka-move ka na. This one. Okay? Yoko. This one. Anything?
Okay lang?
Ayos lang.
Okay lang.
Shoulders. Let's see. Up. Yan. Oh, dikit. Kanina, anong nararamdaman kanina?
Medyo maano dito. Tight and in.
Kanina.
Pero ngayon mas
Ngayon, mas
Loose
loose,
siya.
mas lighter.
mas lighter.
Good. Kanina, hindi mo sobrang naitataas at nailalagpas. Try daw. Lagpas sa tenga. Go. Good. At least, meron ng movement.
Mas ano siya. Hindi na tense dito sa shoulders.
Yan. Ayan ang kailangan natin. No? Para makapag-move ulit at makapagtrabaho ng maayos. Okay? Try natin to. Sa kanan lang, ha? Kasi sa kanan yung medyo kapos. Sige, go. Yan. This one. Let's see. Here. Yan. Go. Yan. This is the normal. How's this? Kamusta yung tightness kanina sa lower?
Wala.
Good. Nice.
Like yung kanina matigas talaga siya. Tapos
Stand up naman. That's fun. Let's see. Yung pagliyad mo kanina ay medyo may pain. Okay, sige, go. Sige pa. Yan. Kaya pa? Kaya pa?
Hindi na.
Pero
hindi na siya yung masakit talaga na na ano din.
Very
Pero wala,
good.
ngayon mas lighter talaga siya.
Nice. So, try. Reach your toes. Go. Yan. That's good.
Abot na siya.
Kanina,
Hindi.
kasi kapos na kapos eh. At least ngayon, with bouncing it, you have to work on it. Okay? Para at least maging loose na rin yun yung hamstrings. Okay? At hindi na pumipigil doon. Alright? Happy ka naman sa result mo?
Happy po.
Very good. Thank you so much for
Kakanood ko ng TikTok. Ito lang. Thank you po.
Thank you again. Ayan, picture tayo. Meron ka bang gustong batiin? Anything?
Sa mga taga-UK dyan, punta kayo kay Kuya.
Thank you so much. Ayan.